I'm making a surprise Christmas visit to my parents. Merry Christmas, Mom!
Merry Christmas, son.
Oh, wow! Is this a Christmas tree? Wow, that's a lot of presents. Let's go ahead and open these up.
Merry Christmas!
So I have my mom to help me unbox all 14 of these presents. Let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead, Mom, let's go ahead and open it up. I'm gonna open these boxes right here. Pretty excited. I'll be reviewing and testing out all of these products at my parents' place. So what I've been blessed with, I'll be blessing it to my parents. Okay, first up, what do we have here? Oh, I think I know what this is. The Fly River Go rotating stand. I definitely need this to showcase all the products. I love these rotating stands. What do we have here, Mom? Misuru USB-C adapter. So here's a USB-C adapter. Okay. So that's two. Open these up, Mom. We have some huge boxes right here. Let's wait for it to unbox. And of course, we don't recycle all these. Oh, what are these? This is the Food Page sesame ball. These are the Chinese sesame balls. I think these are the candy. Look at two of these. Look at. Oh, my mom's gonna love this. I'm gonna help her. She's gonna help me review these. Yeah. Oh, actually, there are 3 boxes here. Quite generous. 3 boxes. Maybe we'll give one of our relatives one of it. Hopefully it tastes good though. Especially with a Chinese New Year earlier this year. Chinese New Year and 27. This is a Vixie Easy Flip car mount. Okay, so we have 2 car mounts right here. Okay. Let's see what I have right here. Is this fun, Mom? What is this? Oh, snap! Just in time for Christmas. Well, this will make an awesome Christmas present. Look at this, guys. It's a metal detector. Metal detector. Oh, what's that? Oh, sunset lamp. Look at this right here. It's a sunset lamp. That's gonna be cool. I'm gonna need that for proper lighting. It's a little bit dark in here. Okay, you open those 2 boxes, man. This is what is this? Oh, this is like a small package. Looks like went through customs. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, okay. I think this is like an eraser set. Look at this. It's got 2 cute ducks. An eraser. Alright, you open that up. I'll open this up. This one is quite heavy. This is, oh, it's a solar motion sensor light. This will be great in the front yard or backyard. Okay, Mom, you open this big box right here. I'm gonna hand it to you. Whoops. It looks big, but it's not that heavy. What is that? Microwave? Did somebody give you a microwave?
Fan.
Oh, ooh, I like what I'm seeing.
Fan.
This is a, oh, I'll help you, Mom. This is a rock tumbler. This was heard from my nephews. Oh, wow, look at this. Yes. Look at this. Smart ceiling fan. Look at this. Smart ceiling fan. So this is my dirt smart ceiling fan. It was gonna look perfect in my parents' master bedroom. Okay, Mom, we're gonna put this right here.
唔拆嗰個。
Let's see those. I'm gonna open this box right here. Another big box. They have so many of these boxes to recycle. Wait a minute, you guys recycle boxes in the Midwest? You need help, you get recycle.
唔使住啊！
I'm not sure they recycle these boxes in the Midwest. Hold on, what's this right here? It's like an after Christmas unboxing. What's that? Oh, I think my mom, show it. You get tired. Just show it, Mom. I think it's another metal detector. See that Sky Cruiser metal detector? That looks very fancy. Okay, what do we have here? What do we have here? Oh, look! Little one don't know. Perfect. I need something to exercise too. Look at this under desk elliptical. I think my mom will love using this too. See what I think on that.
柴嘅咧，
My mom's happy for this.
嗰個又係做咩？
Okay, Mom, 2 more boxes to go. I'll let you open this big box. This is a huge box right here. Hold on. 你坐在邊嚟？
嘈底嘅。
Sit down, Mom. So people can see you unbox it. So, I'm guessing it's such a big box, maybe it's a microwave? Is it?
同唉又係咯，呢兩個錢咩？唔通公司啊？
Hold on a second.
呢兩個啊？
There's another smart ceiling fan. Now I'm going to have to do a lot of assembling. Alright, so I'm going to have to do a lot of work. Are you happy with these presents, Mom? Let's hold on.
嗰個又係
So, there's one more box right there. I'll give you a sneak peek. I think I know what this is. I think this is the shoe holder organizer bench. This is going to look perfect. I'm thinking about putting it probably right here or over there for when people enter and leave the house. That's a perfect area for where they can put on their shoes. All right. So there you see it. These are all of the gifts that we were blessed with. I can't wait to test it out. So these are the upcoming reviews. So make sure you stay tuned.